Welcome to our tutorial on how to edit the Captions background opacity on Facebook for PC. Facebook has recently updated this feature, making it easier than ever to customize your viewing experience. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to adjust the opacity of your caption backgrounds, ensuring you can enjoy your videos with clear, readable captions that don't obstruct the content. Let's get started with the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to Facebook's website. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it and then select Settings from the submenu that appears. This will take you to your account settings page where you can make various adjustments to your Facebook experience. Now, look for the Media section in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it to expand the media-related options. Here you'll see an option labeled Captions Display with an Edit button next to it. Go ahead and click on that Edit button. This action will open up a new menu specifically for caption customization. Among the various options, you'll find Background Opacity. This is the setting we're looking to adjust today. Click on Background Opacity to reveal a slider. This slider allows you to fine-tune the transparency of your caption backgrounds. Slide it to the left to make the background more transparent, or to the right to make it more opaque. As you move the slider, you'll see a preview of how your captions will look with the new opacity setting. Take your time to find the perfect balance that works for you. You want to ensure that the captions are easily readable without obscuring too much of the video content behind them. Once you're satisfied with your selection, don't forget to click the Save button to apply your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully edited the caption background opacity on Facebook for PC. This simple adjustment can greatly enhance your video watching experience, especially for content with subtitles or closed captions. Remember, you can always come back and readjust these settings if needed. Happy watching!